So in general, scalability is very important for Lunar. We need to get an infrastructure where we can scale to millions of customers and millions or billions of transactions. So we also needed to have an infrastructure that can support that. Our existing or legacy infrastructure didn't really support that, so we initiated a transition to a more modern tech stack. We have, to a large extent, succeeded with that today, and we are today in a place with, among others, Vault Core, in a place where we do have a modern tech stack. We can handle millions of customers and millions of transactions. Another word in scalability that's also important for us is unit economics, where we also are working towards actually having a lowering unit economics the more customers we get. And that's of course a key for us to also compete with incumbents, as they have a more difficult time lowering their cost in relation to their tech stack. Vault Core has also helped us in that journey of both having greater scalability in our infrastructure, but also how we build products. They give us the possibility to be in full control ourselves of how to build products, and that enables us to deliver banking products within weeks or months instead of quarters. In the Nordics, you are more or less required to use the data center to actually manage your accounts and your payments. So more or less all other banks, besides a few, they are partnered up with one of very few core banks in Denmark or Norway to manage their accounts and payments across either one country or multiple countries. They also help with, in example, the app experience and the net bank and similar. So in the end, it's a very similar UI the end users get, and also the experience the customers get in the end. And there's not much competition either between the banks. So up until we came, there weren't really that many alternatives to the standard app and user experience. And we came in with a completely new app, a completely new way of viewing how you manage your money, but also approaching our customers. We are very much customers first and are really focusing on a good customer experience. And that I think has been a key to our success, besides also building a lot of our infrastructure ourselves from scratch. So I think it's a combination of rethinking how to approach banking customers and how they manage money, but actually having a modern tech stack. That has been our keys to success.